Hey guys, welcome to my channel ArtTube. I'm Ritu and in today's video, I will show you how to draw realistic lips step by step with graphite pencils. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm making a heart shape and two circles. And now I'm making a horizontal wavy line between heart and the circles. And now I'm connecting lines to the shapes as you can see. अब guideline को erase कर रही हूँ. Now I'm adding contour shadings with 2B pencil like this. Now I'm blending it with a brush. With a pencil eraser, I am erasing the extra lines. और अब पेपर स्टम्प की हेल्प से आई एम स्मजिंग द हार्श लाइंस. Now I'm working on the surrounding of the lips. And again मैं शेडिंग्स ऐड कर रही हूँ लेयर बाय लेयर. And now I'm using a charcoal pencil for the darkest value to show depth. अब 3B pencil से I'm adding more shadings. And now I'm using 6B pencil. And now I'm giving highlights with an eraser pencil. I'm making outer corners and smudging it with a Q-tip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did then like, subscribe and share. And video कैसा लगा do let me know in the comment box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.